Welcome to Absalbras. In this video, I will show you how to turn off AI on Google Chrome, adjust browser privacy by using Chrome flags, stop data collection by AI, and clean Google search in Google Chrome. In previous videos, I have shown how to turn off AI overview in Google search results in Google Chrome. There is still more AI integrated into web browser that we can turn off. It is AI mode. In Chrome, if you open new tab, you can see that in search bar, AI mode. If you focus on address bar, you see AI mode button there as well. And if you search something, you see AI overview and this AI mode tab. So how can we remove these? In order to do that, we will have to adjust some browser flags. To do that, in Chrome address bar, type Chrome flags. Chrome // and you will land on this page, experiments page. Here type AI mode and you will get these four options: AI mode Omnibox entry point, AI entry point disabled on user input, Omnibox allow AI mode matches, AI mode Omnibox entry point always navigates. Disable these four options. And then relaunch web browser. Let's open new tab. Now there's no AI mode button here. Not in address bar as well. Let's search something. And here we have AI overview and AI mode. So to turn these off as well, go to Chrome Web Store and search Bye Bye Google AI and add it to Chrome. I have already added it to Chrome. So I'll just go to its settings by clicking its options, hide AI overviews and hide AI mode tab. Save. And now we don't have AI overview and AI mode tab is gone as well. And if you don't want this blank space, I can recommend another extension, that is this one, AI hide. It will also remove that blank space. So this is that extension, AI hide. AI hide, remove Google AI overviews. This is the extension that offers this control. And then I recommended this. Bye Bye Google AI. So this is how you can hide AI mode and AI overview and AI tabs in Google Chrome and from Google search. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.